Hi and welcome to the last section of our entire series. Now this last part or the last section is all about building a statistics library in Elixir. Now don't worry about the word or statistics. There is nothing big about statistics. As long as you know your basic mathematics like addition, subtraction, division and so on, you would be absolutely fine. You don't have to worry. Now, I also wanted to discuss about a couple of things regarding functional programming. My first question is, do you have a hard time understanding functional programming? If your answer is yes, then don't worry, you are on the right track. Now, what I mean to say is, our brains are so much used to the object-oriented programming paradigms or the imperative programming paradigms that it takes some time for you to understand about your data immutability and recursion. So don't worry, the only thing that you need is more practice. And the intent behind creating one more project is to give you more practice, isn't it? So don't worry, and this is going to be a very nice project. I will show you how we can slightly architect our code in a much better way, how we can create a different public API, how we can separate our internal implementation from the public API and so on. So overall this is going to be a very nice project. So hang on with me and I will catch you right in the next video. Till then, bye.